Hey everyone! Okay, so today we're going to be doing a new video. So I am going to be coloring my hair. I'm going to take you along on how I'm doing it this time. As everyone knows, I change my hair quite frequently, but for the past 2 years I've been growing it out and it got pretty long. It was like down to the mid-back. But I recently had a hair change, and so I'm going to be revealing that in this video. As you can see, I am wearing a wig, but this is just one of those cheap wigs. Anyway, it's kind of cute. It's not too bad if it was lace front, but so, I mean, you know. Anyway, but let's get into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Also, if Brad Mondo happens to react to this video, don't be too hard on me. Hopefully it ends up cute. So, let's go. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. So I have my hair sectioned off. Now, like I said, this is box dye that's on here, so we're gonna try this out. We're gonna start with my root, or my ends, and then we're gonna go to my roots. Today we are using probably the worst lightener ever, BW2, and 20 volume mix. So let me get this mixed together and we'll be back. Alright, so we got the bleach mix and it's a nice creamy consistency. So to apply it, let me set this down. Today we are not using our stand or anything because, you know, why? So I guess I could use foils, but I don't know, we'll see. So hopefully I'm going to put tons and tons of lightener on it. Alright, kids and dogs. Kids and dogs. Alright, so we're not putting it directly on the roots yet. No, oh no, don't do that. Take it off that other hair that I just put it on because that wasn't very careful, was it? Hopefully that don't do anything. It shouldn't, but you know how that goes. Being careful not to get it on my skin because I don't need my skin bleached. Alright, so we're going to let this process. Well, I'm getting it everywhere. Let this process and then we will be back in a few minutes. Alright. So it's not lightening like I want it to. I mean, it's getting a little lighter, but we're going to put foils on. Hopefully that will help protect my face too. Maybe I'm going to do that for now. like that. Make sure everything's in there. Because we also don't want to get on the other hair. Pin that back up. Grab this and pin that back up. Touch it with your hand. I'm just gonna spray this with a little bit of water, just to keep it moist. Okay. And that's where we are at. Also, don't judge me on my folding technique because we're not quite there. Anyway, see you in a few. Alright, so now let's check these. They're getting lighter, but they're not really that light. We're not going for like a blonde color. We're just going for a lighter color than what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my roots because like I said, it's already red. I don't really need it to be like blonde. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the roots. Don't forget to go under. Let me go get more gloves. So I got all my roots done. I don't know when I turned off the camera, but we missed that part. Either way, roots are done. We're back in the foil. We're gonna go let this process and we will be back. All right, so we are gonna check it because why not? Okay, so as you can see, like it's lightening up here and down there, but it's not getting that much lighter because, well, like I said, it's box dye, so. Moisturize a little bit more, put it back in. We still got about 20 minutes, so. And let's check this side, because why not? Oh yeah, this is about the same. Needs a little bit more moisture. And then we're gonna put it back up in there. We don't want it to dry out. Okay, got it in there. Right. And lastly, this side. This side's got like 4 or 5 pieces of foil because, well, I didn't want to just rewrap it. And I'm gonna unwrap this part. See where we're at. It's not lightening as well as the other pieces, but that's alright. So we're gonna put that right there. We're gonna go ahead and rewrap this piece. Alright, this is not the prettiest wrapping ever, but at least it's all in there. I am gonna throw this piece away. Go ahead and spritz the hairline a little bit just so hopefully we don't have any splotching. And I am going to add just a little bit of heat to these ends, just a little bitty bit, not much, just with the hairdryer, 5 to 10 seconds, and we will be back. Well, this has been on for like 45 minutes because, you know, the roots was box dyed. This is what we're looking at. Like I said, it's not all going to come out, and that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, and then I will be back. Alright, so this is how light we got it. Of course, like I said, we're going red, so I'm not really worried about it because I knew that the box dye wasn't going to come out as easily. Today we are using Splat. So some people love it, some people hate it. I've never used it before. This is the first time. No, we are not sponsored, but if you want to, let me know. Other than that, we're just gonna pour some in a bowl, just a little bit because we're doing a little area, and we will go from there. I'm not too worried about getting this on the other parts of my hair because they are black. And this is red, so I very seriously doubt it's going to cause any problems to the other areas of my hair. May cause some issues to my skin, should it get on it, but I figured this would be pretty together. A break from the deep red that I have. It's still going to be kind of deep red because that's just the way that I wanted it. Alrighty, so, and this is, what color did I get this time? Midnight Ruby. So we shall see exactly how deep it gets. Hopefully I don't bleach or color my skin too bad. But if it does, it does. I'm not really that worried about it. Smells really good, so that's a plus. And get that side right there because I always miss the front part of my hair and right here. I have little baby hairs there and I always miss them. Because my hair got a little uneven there. It's fine. Okay. And for as long as I left that bleach on, I mean, my hair's still pretty sound, so that's a good sign that you have healthy hair. If it starts breaking off after 45 minutes of bleach, you probably have a problem and you need to take a break. But oh no, bleach or color catastrophe. Alrighty, I always. Let me get that off in a minute. I have some color remover around here somewhere. I got some of the black pieces in there, a little bit. Oh well, it's fine. Probably won't hurt them. Alright, so wrap these up a little bit. And hopefully it don't do too much damage to the black. Alright, I'm going to clean it And I will leave this on for an hour to an hour and a half, and then I will wash it out and come back with the results. And there you have it. So I love it. It's super cute. It came out super even, and I hope y'all like this video. So if you did, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a great day. Bye.